Hey guys, so pretty stoked to share these with you today. I just got them. They just got dropped off in FedEx. So who wants to see the wheels that are going on the truck? I'm totally kidding with you guys. I'm not going to show you the wheels today. That'll be tomorrow. When I get the tires mounted, I'll show you what they look like. And just wanted to let you know they came in. Tires came. I gotta get them over to the shop, get them on. I'm pretty excited they came in. I'm totally screwing with you. I'm gonna open one up. I can't take it. Hold on. I'm like a kid in a candy store right now. You know what I mean? That's how it works. Even though they're not mine, it's gonna be somebody else's ride. I still get stoked. I get stoked for other people too, you know. Okay. Wow. They put a box inside of a box. I guess they didn't want it to protect the box. Ah. Ugh. Yeah. More. Yeah. How many freaking boxes I have? I gotta burn boxes almost every day. Oh. Sure you want to see it? I'm not gonna open all four because they're all the same. They're even the same size. Well, they even put a cover on it. The suspense just keeps going and going. This is it. I can see it. It's in there. You guys ready? I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom! They're 20s. 8 inches, 9 inches wide, sorry. 9 inches wide. They're powder coated black with the brushed aluminum ring and the cap. I think they're going to be rolling hard. It's going to look cool on the ground. Alright, just giving you a little update. I think she's going to look good. If you want to see a close-up. Pretty nice. Pretty impressive. They're going to look really good on there. Okay. All right. I'll see you guys on the next one. Enjoy your day.